This device uses a piston mechanism to move the shield, creating a thrust to pour the material into the desired location. Each drop of material flows down, filling each crevice, creating a unified block. Chestnuts are a nutritious food, containing lots of protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Bite into a piece of roasted chestnut. We feel the sweet nutty taste spreading on the tongue. Once upon a time, when people still had to work hard to wash each chestnut by hand, now there is a modern chestnut washing and sorting line. It is like a companion that helps people release labor, improve productivity, and product quality. The machine operates on the principle of convection, using hot air to cook pumpkin seeds evenly. The machine has many different roasting. Modes, helping you choose the level of ripeness that suits your preferences. From the familiar image of the traditional croissant, there is now a new unique version of the croissant. The cake is made from flour, yeast, butter, milk, sugar, and salt, then shaped into a crescent shape and baked in the oven. Grain Baguette Maker is an advanced piece of equipment used to create delicious and nutritious baguettes. The machine can produce baguettes with a variety of seeds, including sesame, sunflower, and walnut. Each layer of fresh greasy cheese is sprinkled evenly on the pizza, creating a colorful and attractive picture. Soft and smooth mozzarella cheese mixed with rich cheddar, adding a little salty parmesan. Green color and graceful shape, flows gently on the conveyor belt, creating a beautiful and interesting scene. The freshness and vitality of these vegetables not only make me feel peaceful and satisfied, but also inspire and motivate me to support and respect nature in everyday life. Insect removal for vegetables is an effective solution in ensuring the safety and cleanliness of vegetable products. With advanced technology and smart features, this drum removes insects and other impurities quickly and effectively, while preserving the shape and quality of vegetables. Use vibration or suction mechanism. The insect removal drum allows to separate vegetables from insects naturally and without harming the product. The butter production line is an impressive sight that is not only an embodiment of care and attention to product quality. Products. Looking at this line, we can feel the organization and efficiency of the production process. From selecting right red avocados, through selection, transportation, to handling and packaging, every step is done carefully and professionally. Automation and precision in each process help optimize production productivity and ensure product quality. At the same time, the use of modern technology also helps reduce waste and increase labor efficiency. Multi-lane fruit sorting and packaging line is a perfect system to optimize the production process and ensure the quality of the final product. Fruit grading ensures that each type of product is processed in the best way to ensure quality and uniformity. At the same time, multi-layer packaging helps preserve fresh fruit and prevent damage caused by transportation and storage. This line is often designed to work automatically and efficiently, minimizing human intervention and enhancing production productivity. At the same time, it also provides the flexibility to be able to handle a variety of fruit types and packaging requirements. The multi-lane fruit sorting and packaging line not only helps optimize the production. By removing air from inside the packaging, the vacuum packaging machine for dried radishes helps preserve foods for a longer period of time, keeping them fresh and maintaining their quality. With powerful operation and high efficiency, EGNU vacuum corn puree machine helps save time and effort in the processing process. At the same time, it helps users have a convenient and safe working experience. Fruit sorting machines are often designed to work with many different types of fruits, from succulent fruits such as watermelon and tomatoes to hard fruits such as apples and pears. Sensors and computer systems are used to classify fruit based on preset parameters such as size, shape, color, and weight. This modern mango juice factory is truly a classy and advanced production facility. From the process of selecting fresh mangoes, caring for and harvesting them, to the processing and bottling process, every step is carried out with professionalism and high standards. Dried fruits are not only a healthy choice but also a wonderful experience in terms of taste and nutrition. The combination of quality and convenience makes dried fruit an indispensable product in any household. How do you like this dish?